Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Parrot ISO and Virtualbox ready. Download the ISO now and install Virtualbox plus the extension pack for USB and network support. Create a new VM and allocate at least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB RAM, and a 20 GB virtual disk. Choose VDI dynamically allocated. Once done, attach the ISO to the optical drive under storage, set the network to NAT for initial setup, and enable bidirectional clipboard so you can copy commands between host and VM. You boot the VM from the attached ISO and select Graphical Install for an easier flow. If you prefer to test first, pick Live Session. Follow guided partitioning to let the installer create necessary mounts unless you need LVM. Guided is faster and less error-prone. After base install and reboot, install Virtualbox Guest Editions. From the Virtualbox menu, insert the Guest Editions ISO, mount it inside Parrot, then run the VBox Linux editions. Run script as root to enable resolution, shared folders, and better performance. You finish by configuring networking to your needs. Choose Bridged for full LAN access or NAT plus port forwarding for services. Make shared folders for easy file transfer and enable bidirectional clipboard. Once the system is stable, take a snapshot before making major changes so you can roll back quickly. If things go wrong, first check the ISO checksum and VM settings. Enable EFI if the installer requires it, or increase video RAM to 128 MB. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.